Welcome to our tutorial on Recraft AI. Today, we'll explore how to create stunning 3D AI-generated images using this powerful tool. Have you ever wanted to create those eye-catching 3D graphics you see everywhere for your social media, presentations, or even just for fun but thought it was too complicated, or required expensive software? Well, get ready to have your mind blown, because Recraft.ai makes it unbelievably simple. First things first, if you don't have a Recraft.ai account yet, head over to Recraft.ai website. It's super easy to sign up, and they offer a generous free tier to get you started. If you already have an account, just log in. Once you are in, you'll see a clean, intuitive workspace. Opt for free plan, where you will get 50 credits. Alright, this is where the fun begins. The core of creating anything with AI is your prompt. It's basically telling the AI what you want to see. Here is one already written prompt. Let's try this. In a free version, Recraft can only create 2 options for one prompt. And for saving the output, there is an export option at the top. You can save your images in 2 formats, JPG and PNG. Here are multiple styles which you can also try. Type sofa with center table, or you can also add words 3D rendered or octane render. Alright, let's craft some beautiful 3D rendered outputs with a soft abstract style in Recraft.ai. This look is all about smooth shapes, gentle lighting, and a dreamy, artistic feel. And just like magic, wow! Look at these initial results. We're already seeing those beautiful soft curves, the subtle lighting, and a distinct 3D presence. Let's craft another prompt, focusing solely on the sofa, and see what kind of creative output we get. Sofas, with their charming, cartoonish eyes, are truly delightful. They bring a touch of whimsy and fun to any space. And yeah, you can also change the colors if you want to. Time to cook up some new designs. We're designing captivating food icons, beginning with a 3D isometric take on a classic dosa, elegantly served on a black plate. And the final renders are nothing short of stunning. Let's try one more, 3D ramen in the bowl. Both outputs are impressive and visually striking. Curiosity got the best of me, so I used this AI tool to visualize a 3D croissant on a plate. I really wanted to see how it would turn out. I like the first output and second one is okayish. I've been playing around with different prompts to see what kind of images the AI can whip up. I gotta say, Recraft AI often nails it with some really cool visuals. Sometimes the images aren't exactly what I had in mind, but if I tweak my prompts just right, I usually get some awesome results. You should definitely give it a shot.